So I'm down to my last page on this sketchbook journal. So I got this from Dunzoom, 5x5 by 8x5, 140-pound, 300 GSM paper, watercolor paper, watercolor pad. Came in 6 pads for like $21.99 or something, but now it's unavailable. It's so sad. Oof. Amazon doesn't sell it anymore. They gave it. I did grab it when it was, I guess, on clearance for $11.99 for 6 pads back in December 2025. So I did get another set before it's totally discontinued. Now I started this one on July 2025. So what I thought of doing today was something kind of fun. Play around with water and watercolors. I'm using the Paul Rubens 24 half pan professional set. And let me just give it a spritz. And let me just put this under here. What I thought about doing was playing around with water. Now this is, it doesn't say it here, but it's supposed to be 100% cotton, which I kind of believe because this handles water very well. So I'm going to play around with water and watercolors. And I'm going to be using the number 10 Dugato round as well as the number 5 Dugato round. And I'm just going to start playing. That's all I'm going to do. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the pipette and just splash water on it. Just like that. I think I'm doing 3 florals. See, just literally dropping water there. Now what I'm going to do is see if I could like just form a floral here, like just flowers. And it could melt, it could bleed onto each other. That's fine. I like it when it does that. So just decided to just play. Since it's the last page, and just play around. And you see the gleam here. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this, I think this is cadmium free red, I think, or orange. So I'm going to do that. Look at that. I love it when it does that. Oh, I just love it when it does that. So I'm just going to let it bleed. And I'm going to take this red, the scarlet, I think it's called. Oh, I love it when it just does that. Very loose florals here. It's okay if it does melt, does bleed into that, that's fine. Let me just start playing around like that. See? Love it. Oh, so beautiful. This, I should add a little bit more. That's going to be the largest flower, actually. What I'm thinking of doing is maybe adding this. I don't know if this bleeds as much. It doesn't really bleed that much. Just doing abstract florals here. Just playing around with water. Let that go in there. See? It's a lot of fun. I enjoy doing these things. And it's okay if it bleeds into each other. Don't mind if it does that at all. Yeah, the city's active today. It's hysterical. It's quiet all afternoon. The minute I started to film, that's when it started getting active. I'm just going to start playing around. And look at that. Isn't that pretty? Let's start. Still play around with it. Let me just. It might be a little awkward. Bird might be a little awkward. I guess these could be loose tulips, I suppose. Let me add some greens, because why not? I think I'll switch to the number 5 Dugato round brush. Maybe add some greens. It's okay if it, love it if it bleeds like that. Now let me continue to play with the water. See it like that. I have no clue how this is going to turn out. Just playing with water and watercolors. Isn't that pretty? Wow. Okay, so what I'm thinking of doing is maybe making this, adding a little bit more definition there. What I could do is take a little piece of tissue paper, see if I could just, yeah, I could do that. I don't know if this needs anything. Let's see if I could do something with this. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Wow, look at that. Yeah, that could be definitely be a tulip. These could definitely be tulips. Oh wait, yeah, what's that? Wow, isn't that nice? Oh, look at that. That's still super wet, so. Awesome. Awesome. Look at that. And I think what I'm going to do is to add some middles. I think I could, because it should be dry. Should I use brown? Maybe I should use, if I use dark, let's see. Just adding middles here. Just adding this. Maybe it's still a little wet, so maybe we'll put like that there. Then I'll add some flowers. I'll add some leaves, rather, not flowers. What's this thing? Quick little video here. I think it came out really nice. That kind of bled in, but that's alright. Let me just add a little bit more. There. Well, let me have a little bit more definition. Add a little bit more definition to these. Yeah, like that. That was looking too flat. I'm just hoping. Maybe add another leaf here, maybe. Maybe a leaf, hint of a leaf there, maybe there. What do you think? I think it's a nice way to use the last page of a sketchbook. You know what though, I just see something here. Just when I thought, I just want to add a little bit more. It's still too wet. Like a definition there. Definition of petals. Yeah, it's too wet. Yeah. I'm the same with this because I think it does need a little bit more definition. And that looks like it's peeping behind it. So let me give it a little bit more. There. A little bit. Okay. So I'm going to smooth it out a little bit. There. I actually like that. I'll leave that the way it is. I'll leave that there too. Just a little bit of blooms there. That's okay. I like that. I like the dry brush effect too. Let me soften that a little bit. There. All right. Yeah, I like this. I like this way this came out. Well, hope you enjoyed this quick episode. Hit like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you in the next episode. Bye, everyone.